All right, hey, welcome to the channel. Today is almost like Christmas, so I received a very special package. Unfortunately, I had to pay for it, so it's not exactly Christmas when I'm spending big money for my own gifts, but we got some cool stuff here that I want to show you. So, stay tuned. Here it is. So UPS man dropped this off, and it looks like it arrived in a fairly okay condition. I'm thankful we were able to do it UPS too, because 143.4 pounds. So the person I bought this from, he originally packaged it in, well, it was actually sandwiched between two pieces of plywood, but it ended up being too heavy for UPS. So this was his second attempt at packaging. Wrapped it up good in cardboard and banded it, and most of the banding made it. A couple of the straps popped, but I'm gonna see if I can get this open. I just grabbed a pair of gardening shears. I might need to grip something else. We'll see if it works. So what is in this giant, heavy box? Well, if you watched my previous videos with the 1961 Plymouth Fury convertible, you might recall there was something that I needed. I'm gonna have to get a razor blade. I'll be right back. Okay, as I was saying, the previous videos from the 1961 Plymouth Fury convertible came with a ton of extra parts, which is fantastic because parts are not easy to find for 61 Plymouth Furies. Let's see here. I got a ton of extra fenders, lots of trim, all sorts of goodies. But I needed something in particular that I knew wasn't going to be easy to find. And I thought maybe I'll even get the fancier upgraded option for what I was looking for. But I know those are not easy to find. So what in the world am I talking about? Well, I showed you the inside of the car, packed full of stuff. Look at this, wrapped in nice padding, stretch wrap. Well done. I greatly appreciate this seller. He went over and above, making sure things were wrapped up as good as can be, as good as possible. and he wanted to get the item shipped out right away because the shipping rates were going up in the next week or so. And he beat the deadline, and he managed to pack it in a way where it would actually fit dimension-wise, because we were very, very close on the dimensions and very, very close on the weight. So do you see what this is? A seat, a front seat. So as I was saying earlier, I showed you the inside pictures of my 61 Fury, just packed full of stuff. Absolutely packed full. And the seat that was in there was out of a four-door sedan. So it's a fine seat, but this is a two-door car. So the problem with that is four-door seats have a fixed back, and you can't tilt them forward for the back seat passengers to get in. So these seat backs are loose. I'm gonna have to, it's actually on backwards here. Oh, he's got them wired in for now. But let's see here. Just got them wired in place temporarily. So what this is a front seat with the center armrest, and these are swivel bucket seats. So this was kind of my far out dream option that I was hoping I could get. And that's just it. It was a far out dream because these don't come up too often and they're expensive. But I thought, what the heck? It will be quite the standout feature in this car. Let's try this lever. There we go. Look at that. So the front seat actually swings out to help you get in and out of the car. Isn't that cool? Like I said, this seat back is on backwards. You just put them in there so they'd lay flat. It does have the original back seat ashtray. That's cool. That will clean up real nice. Looks like it had a plastic seat cover on it maybe at one time. I don't know. So of course, upholstery is going to be all redone to match what I need. So I don't care that it's a little ratty looking, because I'm obviously not using the seat as is. Let's see here. There we go. And this passenger seat also swivels out. If the box wasn't in the way, it would swivel further. There we go. Swivel seats. Cool. So, Merry Christmas to me. Merry Christmas 61 Fury. I could put it in my 60 Plymouth Fury if you haven't seen that video. You can go ahead and take a look at that too. That's a pretty cool car. It would look great in either one, 60 or the 61. But I thought, since being a convertible, I don't know, you'd really notice the seats a lot. So I love the bucket seats. It's cool. Center armrest. It's in nice shape. So that will work fantastic. Thanks for checking out the update, and follow along, subscribe. Got some other cool things to show you. Take care.